Hey there everyone, it's Grant, also known as S.E.R. Safety. I wanted to make this video today to wish everyone some happy holidays. And to celebrate, I've put together a special fire alarm system. It's right below me here. As you can see, it is my Bosch D7024 fire alarm control panel. This right here is a SIDCOM SG-325. And then I have three Gentex Commander 4s. These are ceiling mount alarms. And as you can see, one has a green strobe, one has a red strobe, and one has a blue strobe, kind of going along with the theme of the holiday. I have each of these strobes set on 115 candela, as you can see, and that is their highest brightness setting. And in the test, I will be shutting off the lights so that you can see the true power of these strobes. If you have any medical conditions, such as epilepsy, you should not be watching past this point in the video because there will be bright flashing lights happening in just a second here. The alarm on the far left there is set on its mechanical tone, and the other two are set on 2400 Hertz, and all three of them are being coded to code 3 by the fire alarm control panel. I think it's time to pull the fire alarm. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, we'll turn on the smaller light so that you can see a little bit, and then we'll turn off the main lights. Some powerful strobes. You want to turn off this smaller light? Make it true darkness. Alright, the alarm is silenced, and we'll go ahead and reset the pull station. There we go. Take the key out. And then we can reset the entire fire alarm control panel. There we go. Thank you everyone for watching, happy holidays, and have a great day.